Hi, welcome to my channel, Galactic Jamie. So this video is part of my How to Nail Basics series. So this series I created for people who are learning how to paint their nails, probably for the first time, or people looking to freshen up their manicure skills. So for this week's video, I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks to make your manicure last longer. So let's get to it. First of all, one of the most important tips I can give you is to make sure you prep your nails. So I did a video about this a while ago, I'll link it in the cards, of basically how you prep your nails. So you want to make sure that your cuticles are pushed back. If they're not pushed back, when you put on that polish, as your nail grows out, that fingernail polish is just going to lift up right where your cuticles are. So you want to make sure you have your cuticles pushed back. Next, you want to make sure your nails are completely clean and dry. So whether that's using alcohol or acetone, it doesn't matter. Make sure they're dry and clean, because your natural nail oils or any sort of dirt or oils you have on your nails is going to cause that manicure to not stick as well or last as long. Also, using a base coat when you first start doing your nails is super important. That helps the nail color adhere to your nail and last longer, while it also protects your nail from staining. So that's a huge tip, is prepping your nail using a base coat for your nail polish. So next, when you're painting your nails, you want to make sure to leave a little bit of room between your cuticle and the color on your nails. So after you put on the base coat, when you're putting on the color, make sure there's a little bit of space. So I leave a little bit of space so that when I put on the top coat, it kind of creates like a seal around the color so that it stays longer and lasts longer. Also, when you paint your nails, you want to wrap the tip of your nail, and if your nails are really long, you could wrap under it as well. But wrapping that tip is going to help keep it from peeling or chipping from the top. So make sure you wrap your tip. And then when you use a top coat, you want to wrap that as well. It's important to use a top coat. That's what's going to keep it lasting longer. So if you ever use a matte top coat for your nail polish, you want to make sure to go ahead and do a quick dry or a regular top coat underneath the matte top coat. So you're going to do your base coat, your color, your quick dry top coat, and then the matte top coat. Matte top coats don't last as long on the nail as like quick dry top coats or regular top coats do. So I always find it's important to add that extra step just to make it last longer. So another really big tip I have is to reapply your top coat throughout the week. So every few days, just do another layer of quick dry top coat, and that's gonna help it last longer. So just put it on your nail, wrap the tip, and you should be good to go. If you use a quick dry top coat, it's not gonna take like any time out of your day really to do it. I find that this helps your manicure last a lot longer than it does without doing that step throughout the week. Well, that's all the tips I have for today. If there is anything you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. I want to make sure I cover any questions you have or any topics you want me to talk about. Also, if you love outer space or nail polish, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, because every single week I put out a video where I talk about both of those topics. So please consider subscribing if you enjoy those topics. Anyways, I hope you all have a stellar week. Bye!